Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So do you remember when we pickled carrots? So today I'm going to be opening this jar of pickled carrots. We're going to see how they came out. So let's see. Open this jar. Okay, you guys heard that, right? Let's smell it. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, that smells amazing. Let me grab a carrot. Let me grab a carrot. Okay, so I'm going to be tasting this right here. That is a carrot, 2 weeks old. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, that is so good. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So I have to make more of these. I have never pickled carrots before. First time. So this is how they came out. I refrigerated this. It was in the refrigerator. You guys saw me do this on YouTube, on my video. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, shoot. I spilled some of the juice. I didn't want to do that. The juice is amazing. It is so good. I've got hot peppers in there. This carrot is not hot. It came out perfect. Okay, so the reason, and I'm eating one, the reason I did this was because we went to a place that had pickled carrots that were like $7 for a jar this size, and pickled beans, dilly beans. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Oh my goodness, these are so good. They're crisp. They're amazing. So I would totally do, I've got pickling spice in here. I would totally do garlic in this same way. This is amazing, you guys. I've never done this before, so this is live. So good. I can sit here and eat this whole jar. That's how good it is. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I have, I'll show you guys, a bunch of pickles, or cucumbers, that I have to make into pickles. I am going to use the same pickling spice to do this and make some pickles. And here are cucumbers. I don't know what to do with those yet. I've got my eggplants. Oh my gosh. The pickled carrots. I have never had pickled carrots, you guys. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. They are amazing. They are absolutely amazing. I could sit here literally and eat the whole jar. That's how good they are. They are firm. They are crisp. I mean, look at that. They are firm, you guys. Firm. Really, really good. Oh my goodness. I am totally going to make more of these. So I'm going to go out tomorrow and buy some more carrots and do another jar or more jars of these because they are so good. Thanks for watching, you guys. And if you have tried my recipe, please let me know. If not, please try it because you're going to love this. And I have onions in here. The onions are going to be really good. Pickled onions are superb. But I'm really going to try this with garlic and put pickled garlic. I love pickled garlic. These, oh my gosh, these are so good. These are so good. And I only made like 3 or 4 jars. Oh, I'm so disappointed because these are going to be gone. Anyway, so thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe. Lots more videos coming this week. More giveaways. I mean, look at that carrot. Oh, they're so good. Look at that. So good. Look at all those onions. Pickling spices. Oh my gosh. So, so good. So, so good. Okay, so I am going to go because I'm making dinner. I have rice. Whoops. I have rice on right now. I'm making a stir fry. And I'm going to enjoy this carrot. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Lots of gardening, canning videos, dehydrating videos. I have a collab coming up. with a lot of other canners and preservers. I'm not going to say canners because not all of them are canners, but food preservers, called Garden to Pantry. And I'm in another collab with a bunch of other preservers, and we're going to be making jam, and it's going to be called Jamboree. And that's all August 1st, but lots more videos coming before then. Oh my gosh. Really, really good. If you guys have tried other things pickled, let me know. I have a ton of zucchini. So if you guys have tried pickled zucchini, because I've been reading about that today, let me know. Also, watermelon rind I want to try. I've gotten a lot of emails requesting dilly beans. I am going to be doing that, I promise. Yeah, especially after the carrots. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. So I'm going to sit here and eat my pickled carrots while I'm doing dinner. Oh my goodness. So these have sat for 2 weeks. They're absolutely perfect. And this one, like I said, was in the refrigerator. So it's nice and cold. They are perfect. The taste of this, I can't even describe. Oh my gosh. It just came perfect. It literally came perfect. And I've bought pickled onions that taste almost identical to this. And I made this, you guys. I totally made this. So, yeah, this is really good. So I cannot wait to pickle more things. I'm going to also start doing fermented foods because I think they're really beneficial. So I'm also doing a giveaway. We're going to do a live stream this week. So the word of the day, if you want an extra entry, the word of the day is going to be eggplant. Not carrots, eggplant, you guys. The word of the day is eggplant. Put that in the comment section when you comment. Please comment on the video. Please share the video. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Let me know you're here. And help me by watching my videos and get the algorithm, YouTube's algorithm, back showing my videos, because I have not done a lot of videos and I've really, really dropped off. My income is like 0 right now. So if you guys can help me by watching my videos, I would really appreciate it. And please leave comments and likes and just share my videos. Put them out there. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. This is amazing. If you have not tried it, please try it. Lots of great things coming. Please stay tuned. See you later. Bye-bye.